Dashi Suda. Dashi Suda. What does it mean? If you'll notice, the word in red letters is Suda, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word Suda. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 327. Suda. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is su, second syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. Suda. Suda. The word suda is a verb which means to write. Again, suda is a verb which means to write. How do we write suda in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable, su, we need to draw first a sangsiyot or double siyot character followed by an u character. For the second syllable, da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word Suda. And that's how you write Suda in Hangul. Now, let's try to look at this example. It says to write again. It says to write again. The Korean translation of this is Dashi Suda. Again, the Korean translation is Dashi Suda. The Korean translation could be subdivided into two. The first part is dashi, which means again. The second part is suda. This is our word for today, and it is a verb which means to write. So, when we combine dashi and suda, so that's dashi suda, it means to write again. Again, dashi is used to say that something should be done again. And the action word here is suda. So dashi suda means to write again. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of this video, we already know by now that the meaning of dashi suda is to write again. And with that, you've just learned Suda. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 317 to 326. But don't forget our word for today, word number 327, Suda, which means to write. The first word for our review is word number 326. It's television, which means television or TV. Next word is palda, which means to sell. Next word is 끝나다, which means to finish or to end. Next word is 빨라요, which means faster or hurry up. Next word for our review is 상자, which means box. Next word is 전혀, which means not at all or absolutely not. Next word is 천천히, which means slowly. Next word is 모르겠어, which means I don't know. Next word is 생각해, which means I think. And the last word for our review is word number 317, 대단해, which means awesome. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.